We'll be covering the installation of Rustbuster's front unibody stiffener for Jeep's XJ Cherokee. Before you begin, if at any point you are uncomfortable with any of the processes, we strongly suggest you seek out the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the required tools listed, and ensure you follow all the manufacturer's safety precautions and operations while using them. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards, such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting, and remove any fire hazards from the work area. Step 2. Lift your vehicle and support its rear axle with jack stands for driver and passenger sides. Step 3. Remove the front wheel of the side you intend to work on. With a T40 Torx bit, remove the bolt from the brake line retaining bracket and remove the body clips of the rearmost inner liner with the body clip remover. Step 5. You will need to remove your front bumper, whether it's factory or aftermarket, in order to reach the entire rail. Follow the manufacturer's instructions closely to avoid damage. Step 6. With a 10mm socket, remove the retaining bolt of the fender support bracket. You will then need to pull the bracket away slightly in order to slide the stiffener into place. Step 7. Prepare your weld zones by scoring or grinding away any rust and debris. With the stiffener in hand, slightly bend the part outward. Doing so will help the part get around your suspension and contour the wheel well. Step 8. Slide the stiffener into place, ensuring that it passes underneath the brake line and fender bracket. Ensure all the frame holes line up, there are no gaps, and C-clamp it into place. Step 9. Utilizing proper safety precautions and welding techniques, tack weld the part into place. Remove the C-clamps and completely weld around all edges and through all stitch weld slots. And you're done.